Hi everyone, my name is Joseph from Droidedge Consulting, and in this video I'm going to be teaching us how to set up our organization in Zoho Books. So of course the name of the website is, just go to Books.Zoho, right? But should in case you don't even know the name of the website, or you are trying to crack your brain and saying that how am I going to get to books.zoho.com, how do I get that, and all that. So you can simply just go to your Chrome browser, but I prefer Chrome browser. Chrome browser is okay, it's cool, right? But you can use any browser of your choice, right? Whether it is the Firefox and all that. So you can use any browser of your choice. So we could just type Zoho Books. All right, the moment you type Zoho Books, you get to see the application, and you click on the first one, which is powerful accounting tool for your businesses. You say start free trial, request a demo. So what we want to do now is to sign up our organization, So we click on the right top corner here, we click on sign up now. Now, if you already have an account, you don't need to sign up now. All you need to do is just to sign in, right? But in this case, we want to set up our organization. So what do? We put in our company, Droidedge Consulting, our email, you put our email, a password, what do you want the password should be, and where is your business located at. It's very, very important. Where is your business located at, right? Is it in Nigeria? Is it in Namibia? Because of course different people from different countries will definitely be watching this video. So that's why I'm just trying to explain this. Is in different countries, Singapore, where Zoho Books is. So you choose your country, but in this case I'm choosing Nigeria because and you click on create my account. So I won't be creating an account because I already have an account. The moment you click on create an account, it creates an account for you in Zoho Books. All right, let me just go ahead to sign in my Zoho Books and my password. So Droidedge Consulting, so we have our organization. So how do I set up my organization? We can go ahead to set up our organization, right, by putting, so right now we want to be able to, set our profile. We want to be able to set up our profile, put our organization logo, all this is going to appear, right? It's very important. Put our organization logo, organization name, the industry, what industry does the organization belong to? Is it the consulting industry? In this case, this is Droidedge Consulting, right? So it's going to be, now we are going to be saying something like you are currently using a free plan or a 14 days trial. Now free plan is different from 40 days trial. 40 days trial is the 3 days, like the trial days they give you when you first sign into an organization, and the free plan is when you've exceeded, right? When you've exceeded the 14 days, the free plan will limit your access to some certain things. There's some certain things you might not be able to do in Zoho Books, but definitely all the test transactions you've carried out during those 14 days will still be there. All right. So you put your logo, the industry, what industry do you belong to? This is the country, we've said this already, organization address and all that, right? And of course you also set your organization address format, how you want your source documents to be and all that. So basically that is how to set up your organization in Zoho Books. It is that easy. It is that simple. And when we come to Zoho, right, when we come to the dashboard, you notice that we already have Droidedge Consulting, and we can have a logo here. Of course, because I'm using my account, so it's showing Joseph, right? So we have Droidedge Consulting, we have the logo here. We have our payables, our receivables, a cash flow and all that. So that is how to set up your organization in Zoho Books. And so we can just go ahead to start creating items. If you want to see your banking module, having a chart of accounts, all right, our purchase module, our sales module, and also when we want to generate our reports. So it's that simple, it's that easy. Please follow us for more. We remain Droidedge Consulting. Bye bye.